Function notation. Write y equals x plus 1 in function notation. Well, function notation is just a really different way of saying y. It looks like this. It's read f of x. So the value in parentheses is what the x is. But just to write something in function notation, you just write f of x equals, and then whatever's after the equal sign stays. And that's the answer. You're done with that one. Okay, for the following, use function f of x equals 2x plus 5. Evaluate the function for x equals -3. So you write that as f of -3 because you're letting x be -3. And then you just take whatever's after the equal sign and plug it -3 in for x. So 2 times -3 plus 5. 2 times -3 is -6 plus 5 equals -1. So f of -3 equals -1. Now f of 0, you do the same thing. You use the same part of the equation. You plug 0 in for x. So 2 times 0 plus 5. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 5 equals 5. So f of 0 is 5. 1/2. F of 1/2 equals, you plug 1/2 in for x. 2 times 1/2 plus 5. Well, half of 2 is 1, plus 5 is 6. So f of 1/2 equals 6. And 10. F of 10 equals, you plug 10 in for x, 2 times 10 plus 5. So you get 2 times 10 is 20 plus 5 equals 25. So f of 10 equals 25. Write a sequence for which f of 3 equals 1/4. Well, this is another way of saying the third term. And sequence is just a list of numbers. So you literally could write anything as long as the third term was 1/4. So like 2, 1, 1/4, 8, 10. It's just a list of numbers. And the third term is 1/4. So that would be the answer. Or one example of an answer.